How to replace Kidde smoke detector battery. First, remove the smoke detector. Grip the smoke detector firmly. Twist it in the direction marked off, usually counterclockwise, and pull it away from the ceiling bracket. Step 2. Disconnect power. If your Kidde alarm is wired into the house, locate the white quick connect plug on the back, squeeze the side clips, and pull the connector out. Battery-only models can skip this step. Step 3. Open the battery compartment. Find the battery door, open it carefully, remove the old battery. Some models have a black pull strap to help remove it. Step 4. Install the new battery. Insert a fresh battery of the correct type. Match the positives and the negative terminals correctly. Ensure the battery sits fully in the compartment and close the battery door securely. Step 5. Test the alarm. Press and hold the test button for 3 to 5 seconds. Wait for the alarm to sound, and if it beeps loudly, the battery is installed correctly. Step 6. Reinstall the detector. Reconnect the wiring plug if applicable. Align the detector with the mounting bracket. Twist it onto the on position until it locks. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.